So let's just talk about multi-threading in Python. So multi-threading is a way of achieving multitasking. So here we use the concept of thread. So the multi-threading allows multiple threads to run concurrently, which enables multiple tasks to execute in parallel. So the thread is nothing but a lightweight process. So the threads breaks down a task into smaller parts and then execute them simultaneously using the multiple core of one CPU. So like an example, suppose this is one process. So the process is one instance of a computer program that is being executed. Now inside that process we can have the thread like T1. So the thread is an entity within that process that can be scheduled for execution. So this is our thread T1. Now with the multi-threading, inside that process we can have multiple threads like T2, like T3. All of them can run parallel to each other, and this way we can achieve the multitasking. So we can say that this is one multi-threaded process where we have multiple threads. So let's just see how we can create multiple threads in Python and then run them parallel to each other. So first of all we have to import the thread. So from threading we're gonna import the thread. So let's now create one class print numbers. So this will inherit the thread class because we are creating one thread. Now here inside we're gonna create one run method, and this basically loops through in a range from 1 to 6 and it prints the number. And also we're gonna import the sleep. From time we're gonna import the sleep, and in every iteration we're gonna sleep for 0.5 seconds just to simulate that multiple threads are running parallel to each other. So let's now create another class print letters. So this will also inherit the thread class. So let's now define the run method. So this will also have one loop and it will loop through one string like Python. So it will get all the characters and it will just simply print them. So we're gonna print the characters. Now here also we're gonna put the sleep just to simulate that multiple threads are running parallel. So let's now create the thread T1 from the class print numbers, and another thread T2, and this will be from the print letters. So we have our two threads created. So let's now start them. So T1 dot start. So this will start the thread 1. T2 dot start. So we have started both of the threads, and now at the end we can have the execution completed. So here we're gonna use T1 dot join and T2 dot join. So here we're using the join method on the thread T1 and T2, which will ensure that the main thread waits for these two threads to complete, and then the main thread will execute the later part of the program. So let's now run this and see if the threads are running parallel to each other or not. So you can see here we have the output. So you can see both of the threads are running. So they are running in parallel. So first of all we have this T1, then the T2, and so on. So this way we can perform multitasking where multiple threads running parallel to each other. So hope you understand about multi-threading in Python where multiple threads can run parallel to each other. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Take care.